Okay, the cow catcher. Almost forgot about it. So we're going to make the cow catcher. That creates a whole bunch of measurement stuff. So I'm going to use a line command. Draw a line over to here. Oh, that was bigger than it needed to be. And then up 0.25. Here to here, over to here, down to here. All right, so let's do some dimensioning. Let's do this first. 1.2. Going to throw everything off, of course. If you start it, make it as much to scale as you can, it'll work out a whole lot better. I can actually grab these and bring these down so it's close once I've done that. Now in my other dimensions, they won't freak out on me. Okay, so I dimension this side, 0.25, and I'm actually going to do equals. That's my equals one, so that this and this are the same length. I'm going to do dimension from the peak to this bottom line, 0.75, and then I need to do I'm not sure how they tell you, but I'm going to do well no, I might be able to do equals again. Let's do equals, this one and this one, and that should center it. So that looks pretty good. Okay, once I got that, then I finish my sketch, and now what I do is I'm going to do like we did with the smokestack. I'm going to do a work plane. This one, drag, oops. Oh, I didn't click it. Work plane, X, Y, and drag it out. I need to drag it out, apparently 0.75. And this is a little crowded down here. Okay, then I'm going to create a sketch, click on the side of this. I then am going to use project geometry to project this line, because that will give me the starting place. And now I'm going to turn it. That's my line. And now in the instructions, according to the instructions, I need to take a line and go out here, restart, and here, 0.3, enter, and done with that. And again, I'm going to make this one and this one the same length, and then it tells me to go up 0.25. Okay, so I'm just going to draw another one kind of like that. I'm going to go up here, 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 and here. Okay? Now when I dimension, this is something you can do. You know, when I dimension this line, I can just click that one since it's supposed to be the same, and that'll make it that. And this is just another way of doing things besides using the equals, for example. I can do that. And then again, I'm going to equal both of these. Ooh, that didn't work. Oh, because I didn't do this right. Okay. And done. Okay, that didn't catch, so I'll change it to 0.25 to make sure I got it right. There we go. And now those are. Now, if I did this right, when I finish the sketch and I turn it, what I'm going to do is I'm going to do a loft from this to this, which will work, and that'll give me this. And let's uncheck the visibility on that so I can see it. And now it says to shell it and remove the back face. So this is a shell. Remove the back face. 0.05. And I get that, which looks like that. Now, they want to do this, and let's see if this works. Create a sketch, and it won't let me do it. If this is not perfectly even, and I'm not sure why this has issues all the time, but you can't get a sketch plane on this. If you do this, you may be able to. I can't. So I am going to leave it just exactly like that. Now they put some pegs on this back part right here. And I will do that in just a little bit. Let me pause. If you made the holes in the front of the train, make the holes following the instructions. I'm not going to go through all of it. You're just extruding these out there. If not, just leave everything like this. If you can't get those cutouts, don't worry about it. If you can't get the holes, don't worry about it. I will attach this to the train. Wait, let me save it. Cow. And all you're going to do is this. Let me bring in the train. I'm going to place it. Cow. And what you do is I'm going to mate. I'm doing this, trying to do this real quick because I got to go somewhere. Mate this to that. Okay. So it looks like that, and apply. And then I can do a flush of this bottom edge to that and apply. And I can do a mate of this line to something here, that line. Nope, I can't. Because basically I want it like that. I want it like that. And you can play around with that a little bit. If you have the holes, you can just do an insert. Okay, I'm going to stop it and save it like that.